Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, tender, juicy turkey. You will need celery, bell pepper, onion, green onions, garlic, rosemary, and thyme, olive oil, or you may use butter, and you'll also need your seasonings. All ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description, so make sure you check it out. Now let's get the turkey out of the wrapper. Remove the contents from the cavity, and you can set them aside to use for turkey stock if you like. Give your turkey a nice rinse and pat dry. This is melted butter mixed with the delicious Cajun style blend. Okay, we are going to fill up the injector with this delicious marinade, and we're going to inject the breast, legs, thighs, and wings. So go ahead and stick that needle through the skin into the meat and gently pull the injector back as you push that butter into the meat. You're going to repeat those steps until all parts have been injected. This is going to add so much flavor to the turkey, and it's a great alternative to brining. Now take that leftover marinade and you're going to massage it all over the turkey, front and back. Spread some of the vegetables into the bottom of a large roasting pan and lay the turkey on top. Now from here, you may stuff the cavity with the remaining vegetables and herbs, or you can do stuffing, I've seen people stuff their turkeys with lemons, oranges. You can do carrots. It's really up to you how to stuff your turkey. You may tuck the wings behind the breast. Otherwise, you will need to place some foil on the tips of the wings to prevent them from burning. And if any part of your turkey looks under seasoned, you need to add more seasoning. You're going to cook this uncovered in a preheated 325-degree Fahrenheit oven. Baste the turkey every 30 to 45 minutes with the juices from the pan to keep it nice and moist. After the turkey skin is crispy, cover it with foil, and you're going to continue baking until the internal temperature of the turkey reaches 175 in the thigh and 165 in the breast. My turkey took 6 hours to cook. It was so nice and juicy and very flavorful. As you can see, it is fully cooked and the breast was not dry at all. Now, depending on the size of your turkey, you may need more or less time. So you want to cook your turkey according to the size of it. Okay, I will leave more details in the caption. Sometimes I can get long-winded and I don't want my videos to be too long. I always write any additional information in the caption or in the description. So make sure you check it out. I hope that you will try this recipe and I hope that you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.